Welcome to the Awesome Kids Art Hub. Let's draw cute Peppa Pig. Start with her classic head shape, kind of like a sideways jelly bean or a potato that's doing yoga. Add her cute round snout and two little eyes. Give Peppa a big winter hat on her head, nice and snug. Draw a long wiggly scarf wrapped around her neck. Add two little mittens or gloves on her hands. You can make them match her scarf, or be rainbow colored, or have teeny tiny piggy patterns. Now draw her little legs and some awesome ice skates. They should look like boots with shiny blades on the bottom. Maybe even add sparkles or lightning bolts if she's a speedy skater. Draw her arms out to the sides, like she's balancing, and one leg up like she's doing a piggy pirouette. Don't forget a fluffy pom-pom on top. Don't forget the swirly skate marks on the ice under her feet. Like and subscribe to watch such more videos.